Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It's Thursday morning, September 26, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. In the absence of any major new catalyst, US stocks turned weaker on Wednesday, erasing some recent gains as investors await economic indicators and signals on upcoming interest rate cuts. Blue chip stocks endured the brunt of the selling pressure, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average falling 0.7% or roughly 293 points to 41,914 to snap a four-day winning streak. The S&P 500 also slipped. It lost 10 points or 0.2% to 5,772, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite ticked up less than 0.1% to close at 18,082. Both the Dow and the S&P 500 had closed on record highs on Tuesday, riding some lingering momentum from the Federal Reserve's half a percentage point cut to short-term interest rates last week. Stocks got a boost on Tuesday after China's central bank announced a raft of stimulus measures aimed at supporting the country's weakening economy. Unfortunately, no such help arrived on Wednesday. The day was light on economic data and corporate earnings report, and a slightly better than expected reading on new home sales did little to move markets. Sales of new US single family homes fell in August, but declining mortgage rates and house pricing could stimulate demand in the months ahead. However, a weaker consumer sentiment report on Tuesday raised concerns about the health of the labor market. 9 out of the 11 S&P 500 sectors fell, led by energy stocks, which fell 1.9%. Tech stocks bucked the trend with a 0.5% rise, supported by Nvidia's 2.14% gain. Apple shares slipped 0.52% as sales of foreign branded smartphones, including iPhones in China, fell in August on an annual basis, data from a government affiliated research firm showed. Citigroup, Bank of America, and JP Morgan and Chase weighed on the broader bank index, which dropped 0.93%. KB Home slipped 5.35% after posting a downbeat third quarter profit. Hewlett Packard Enterprise topped the S&P 500 with a 5.14% gain after Barclays rating upgrade. Shares of Ford and General Motors fell over 4% after Morgan Stanley lowered its recommendations on the automakers. Meanwhile, weighing on the Dow, Amgen shares fell 5.5% after analysts were underwhelmed by the results of a late stage study of a drug that would treat a type of eczema. Visa dropped another 1.2% after sliding 5.5% on Tuesday, when the Justice Department said it was suing the company for antitrust violations. Treasury yields extend recent gains, with the yield on the 10-year note rising to 3.781% from 3.736% Tuesday. Commodity prices slipped after rising Tuesday in response to China's stimulus measures. US crude fell 2.6% to $69.69 a barrel, and Brent crude eased to $73.46 a barrel, while copper prices edged down less than 0.1%. Gold is $2,657 per ounce. Global markets were mixed. The stocks Europe fell 600 fell 0.1%. The Nikkei 225 dropped 0.2%, while the Shanghai Composite finished up 1.2%. Economic data could play a bigger role in driving markets over the remainder of the week. Data on weekly unemployment claims and durable goods orders will be released Thursday. On Friday, the Commerce Department will release closely watched data on personal income and spending trends, as well as the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. That's it for today, folks. See you tomorrow morning. In the meantime, let us know in the comment section what are your thoughts for the market. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.